Hey, hello there boys and girls, fellow acrobats. I hope you're doing well, and welcome to the second video of the Master Planche tutorial. Okay, Master Planche Trying tutorial. And today we're going to move a little bit, to the advanced, intermediate advanced department, for just giving it a name. And I have to say, it's getting a little bit chilly here in Paradise. The temperature dropped about 6 degrees from last night till today. So I'm kind of feeling it. I know you're probably living in a very, very cold climate. But for Mallorca, it is a big drop of temperature. And I'm feeling a bit. But I'm not going to make the mistake today I did the other day. I just did my warm-up. Yeah, great, fantastic. We're going to move on to the exercise. What we're going to do today. I would say very simple, but no, it's not that simple. So remember, we're getting a little bit more into the planche here. So what we're going to do today, we're going to go from tack, and then we're going to open as slowly as possible to straddle and back to the floor. Basically, you're not going to hold the planche. All I want you to do is just to hold your tack, lift, straddle, and land and straddle on the floor. Okay. So again, it might look simple, but effective. Let's go for it. Let's see how it goes. Let me just zoom out a little bit. No, that's good. Cool. Okay, ready for action. So same thing apply here, guys. Remember, tuck your chest in, keep your elbows locked. Tack, hips tip forward. Done. Okay. Sorry, man. Hands a little bit dry. Okay. So this is what we did the other day. Remember, hands just lean forward. Okay, that's what we did. So I hope you've been practicing that. Okay, next step. This is how we're going to do it. Just in, lean forward. Okay, one more time. If you can't, give it a little swing. It's very important you stay forward. Okay, here you go. Up. Legs out. To the floor. Then swing a little bit. Give it a little momentum if you want, if you have to. Okay. Basically, that's what we're going to do. It looks simple, but highly effective. We can't run before we walk. Okay, this might look like basic stuff, but it has to be done. Even for the advanced acrobat, if you do this as a body conditioning exercise, it's going to improve your planche a million times. So, back to the exercise. Same. Lean forward, elbow, lock your elbow right from the beginning, all the way through the exercise. Just lean forward, chest in, round your back. Lift your hips as high as you can. Open, land on the floor. Easy. Alright guys, have a go and let me know how it goes, okay? And just a quick announcement. The Master Planche Training tutorial is going to be on sale in a couple of days. And I tell you guys, I've dropped the price down to 10 euros. Okay, for the next 10 days. I'm going to ask to 15 euros. I understand it's not much different. But it's an excellent tutorial, guys. It's packed. It go more than 12 videos, for you to try step by step, gradually going from basically from this exercise to completely advanced, straddle planche. Okay, guys, have fun and just like I said, let me know what you think. Ciao. See you later.